There are 4 emergency exits on board. 2 exits located in the forward cabin and 2 window exits in the mid-cabin. All of these are indicated by an exit sign. Please locate the ones nearest you, keeping in mind they may be behind you.
Cet appareil compte 4 issues de secours. 2 issues à l'avant de la cabine et 2 issues de secours au centre de la cabine.
Welcome to VetMod Reviews.
We got that Hemi. He got a Hemi. We got that package. We got the package. Got the package. See? Drop top. It's nice, right? See? You don't got a style like this. Yeah.
Today, I had an idea of what I wanted this video to be about, but decided to focus on family, focus on what actually matters, and that's spending time with your loved ones. Because you could be here today and gone tomorrow. And you can't get that time back. Keep the friends that's down for you. Material things could always be replaced, but family is something you can never get back once they're gone.
Doing boy BOTG_security. Y'all in Atlanta with it. Bodyguard services, travel security for private escorts, all your security needs. Here with it. Just get at me. Peace and blessings.